This is my portable craps table that I build at home. You could take it down and set it up in about 10 minutes. And I love playing craps, build it for my family and my friends so that we can all learn. And check out this table. Let me show you how to set it up. Okay, so we're gonna start with a 6-foot table. You can kind of see that underneath. It's just a fold up table. Then I'll put the dimensions and everything in the description, but we have our OSB covered in felt. Actually, there's a little ridge here right in the middle because I double felted this side, single felted this side. I want a little bouncier so that I can practice, because some tables are bouncy, some are not. And then we're just gonna get our table template out here. We're gonna unroll this or unfold it. Look at that beautiful table layout. And I'm just gonna work the wrinkles out, and I want it kind of as uniform as possible, about the same amount on each side, and front to back same. All right, got all the wrinkles out. All right, so let me get the edges up. All right, so I have labeled all these, so it makes it much easier to lay these out once I stored them and I need to get them back out. So I'm using a normal, just regular old drywall screw here, and I did pre-drill the holes so that we don't split the wood. Perfecto, going good, going easy.
You look a little bit thirsty though.
Well, you know, once I get back over to my bar there, maybe I'll get myself a little taster. Again, this goes together, super simple. You got a pickup truck, you can play at your friend's house. All right, both ends are done. So now, all I gotta do is hook them together. Again, I'm just using regular old drywall screws. Don't want to pass up a drink. E.H. Taylor tastes amazing. All right, easy peasy. All the sides are up. I'm gonna square it up just a little bit because the next step is our diamond bumper. One on each end, and you can really deck yours out if you want. We don't go all the way down the sides, but it is what it is on here. We just push it down, make it even, and last but not least, the important part. You got your little puck, and we need money to gamble, right? Let's get all this money out here. Now I got all my supplies. Actually, I got most of them from Steve over at Casino For You. I did get some of them on Amazon. I'll put all the links down in the description so that you can get your own stuff. But I do want you to notice, one of the guys that I love following on YouTube is the Bone Thrower, and he's got his own black dice. So I bought a pair because you will never see black dice. Reason is, look at the red one, look at the green one. You can't see through that. Casino doesn't want that. You will never see black dice in a casino. So I bought a pair because black dice really just don't exist. Again, I built this crap table because I wanted to learn more about playing craps. I wanted my family to learn more about playing craps. We got to have somebody that knows how to play craps if you're going to have a craps table. And now you can have them teach you a little more, you teach them a little more. There you go, craps table built in about 10 minutes. So once you get this all planned out, about 10 minutes to take down, set up, really easy. There you go. Thanks for watching. Again, I'll put all the information down in the description so you can build your own craps table. This is an 8-foot table. I don't have room for official 14, but it's an 8-foot table, plenty to have fun at home and learn the game of craps. So appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping.